Part 1, Formal English on the phone. Could I speak with Mr. Park? May I speak to Mrs. Wood? I would like to speak to Mr. Perez. May I ask who's calling? Can I get your name? This is David Park. Hayes speaking. Would you mind holding for a minute? I'm sorry, Mr. Hayes is not available right now. Would you like to leave a message? May I take a message? Could you call back later? Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a bit slower, please? Thank you for your call. Part 2, Informal English on the phone. This is David. Is Hannah there? Is David free? Who is this? It's Owen. Hang on a second. Just a moment. Sorry, she's not here right now. When will Tyler be in again? Could I leave a message? Sorry, I think I dialed the wrong number. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say that again? I'll call back a little later. I can't hear you very well. Bye. Good morning. David Brown speaking.
Good morning. This is Emma Wood. I would like to speak to Mr. Gray.
Just a second, I'll check if he is in already.
Thank you.
I am sorry, but Mr. Gray is not here yet.
Can you tell me when he will be in?
Probably around 4 p.m.
All right, I will call again later then. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.